बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मुल्तान पब्लिक स्कूल एंड कॉलेज, क्लास O level 10, subject computer. Teacher's name Muhammad Qasim Qureshi. Now we'll discuss the chapter number 11, how to make your program. You already discussed about the tools and techniques of the programming techniques from the previous chapters about the subroutines, top-down designs, structured program, flowcharts and library routines and subtesters in chapter number 9. Now we'll discuss the how to program to convert. The basic and important point of this chapter. Programming is a very difficult task, but you understand everything in the control structures, then they will do it. A statement used to control the flow of execution in a program is called control structures. The control structures in C are used to combine individual instructions into a single logical unit. The logical unit has only one entry point and one exit point. The instruction in a program can be organized in three kinds of control structures to control the execution flow. The control structures are used to implement the program logic. The control structure are as follows and sequence and its working. Statements are followed in sequence, so the order of the statements in a program is important. Assignment statement rely on the variables used in the expression on the right hand side of the statement, all having been used values. Input statement often provides for assignment statements. Output statements often use the results from assignment statement. From your book, the example is first name is int input, enter the first whole number. Second number int input, enter the second whole number. Sum the print number plus second number, print the sum number is this. This is the sequence step by step. In sequential structure, the statements are executed in the same order in which they are specified in the program. The control flows one statement to other in a logical sequence. All the statements are executed exactly once. It means that no statement is skipped and no statement is executed more than once. This is the basic concept of sequence and its working. Now the second type is selection and its working. Selection is a very useful technique, allowing data item to be skipped out according to the given criteria. For example, selecting the largest value or the smaller value, selecting items over a certain price, selecting everyone who is male. This is done with the use of if and case statement. Selection structure selects our statements are a set of statements to execute on the basis of condition. In this structure, statements are a set of statements executed when a particular condition is true and ignored. When the condition is false, there are different types of selection structures. These are if else, and switch. Find an example is given in your book. If number is greater than highest, it means that highest is equal to number. Print A is greater number has been found. Python uses identifications to identify which statement will be executed if the number is larger than the highest. If number is greater than the highest is equal to number. There are two techniques. One technique is also second technique is document write a larger number has been found. JavaScript uses curly brackets to identify which statement to be executed if the number is larger than the highest. Now do the activity 11.6 using the high level language program that your school has been chosen to use. Find out about the structure of if then else and case statement. If then else and case statement we already studied in the chapter number 10. Not all programming languages include the use of case statement. This is to be activity to be done and to send to me in my WhatsApp number. Now this is the third type, repetition. Most program languages support the three types of loop: a fixed number of repetitions, An unknown number of repetitions with at least one repetition as the condition is tested at the end of the loop. An unknown number of repetitions which may not be completed at all as the condition is tested at the beginning of the loop. Repetition structure executes a statement. A set of statements rapidly, it is also known as the alteration structure or a loop. The repetition structure includes for loop, while loop and do while loop. This is the third type of the control structure, which is called a repetition and its working. Now the fourth one is totaling. From your book, from page number 159, totaling is used with the repetition with the total updates every time the loop is repeated. Keeping a running total is one of the most frequently used programming techniques in many computer programs. For example, the total on the receipt as a supermarket checkout is equal to receipt total is equal to receipt total plus cost of the items. This is the totaling of any bill in the price market. Now move on to the last one, counting. Counting is used with the repetitions with the counter increased by 1 every time the loop is repeated. Counting items are even is another of the most frequently used programming techniques. For example, counting the number of items sold in a single transaction at a supermarket. Number of items is equal to number of items plus 1. As well as counting upwards, a counter can be used to count down with the counter being decreased by 1 every time the loop is repeated. For example, removing an item from the stock every time 1 is sold, number in stock and number in stock is equal to. Now we will also explain again summaries sequence wise. The loop structure is followed in a sequence wise. All statements are executed exactly once. It means that no statement is skipped and no statement is executed more than one time. Selection. A selection structure selects a statement or a set of statements on the basis of the condition. This is true, then it will be ignored when the condition is false. There are different types of selections, and do the activity 11.6. And now the repetition is also equal to repetitions. Repeat, execute a statement of set of statements rapidly. Do while statement, do case statement is to be used. Totaling and counting is also very important. Page number 158. Python uses the following languages. Python uses the identification to identify the statements to be executed, as is the range of statement is used to set up the loop counter. For counter in range is equal to 1 to 10 and print asterisk and asterisk and this. For variable counter 1, counter less than equal to 10, counter is equal to counter plus 1. The JavaScript uses the curly brackets to identify the statements to be executed. A new variable with a starting value condition and increment is set up for the loop counter. This is the fixed time number of repetitions from your book, page number 158 and figure number 11.22. Now move on 11.23. Do. This is the same thing which is done with 11.22. Same thing is done with 11.23. Do new value is equal to window prompt. Please enter a positive number. New value, parasites, float, new value, curly brackets close, while new value less than 0. JavaScript uses curly brackets to identify the statement to be executed. The condition is tested at the end of the loop. Figure number 11.23. Unknown number of repetitions and at least one completed. Now figure number 11.24. Unknown number of repetitions and statement in loop may enter be used. New value float. Input, please enter a negative number, while new value is less than greater than equal to 0, new value is equal to float input, please enter a negative number. Python uses identification to identify the statements to be executed. The condition is tested at the start of the loop. New value is equal to window prompt, please enter a negative number, while new value is greater than equal to 0, new value is equal to float input, please enter a negative value. Python using to identify the statement to execute the condition is tested at the start of the loop. Now the same thing in JavaScript. New value window prompt, please enter a negative number, new value phrase float new value, while new value is greater than equal to 0, new value is equal to window prompt, please enter a negative number, new value is praise float. JavaScript uses curly brackets to identify the statements to be executed. The condition is tested at the start of the loop. This is the end of your lecture of your complete program, how to program to control the structures about the 4 types: sequence, selection, repetitions, totaling and count is a major base concept of the programming. Thanks.